Hi guys, this is the part 3 of the Today Udemy courses. The part 1 and part 2 is uploaded. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. The next course is getting started with call center training. In this course, you will learn cold and warm calls, understand sales by phone, how to close down the voice, learn to ask the right question. These courses over the on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobile TV, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is APR 2021. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is learning business etiquette. In this course, you will learn telephonic etiquette, learn ethics and business etiquette, learn email and meeting etiquette, business dining etiquette. This course will 39 minutes on demand video, full lifetime access, extra variety and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is APR 2021. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is how to validate your idea and succeed in your business. In this course, you will learn step-by-step guide to validate your product or business idea with Facebook ads. This course includes 1.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 99721923D811256766FAD. The coupon code is valid for 1 day. The next course is how to achieve your personal goal in 12 months. In this course, you will learn beginner-friendly approach to setting goal, the step-by-step guide to creating your 12-month plan, reassurance that no goal is too big and the way to make it happen, explanation on why goal setting is so important, tips to how to ensure you stay on track with your plan, exercise to help you assist to your true desire, and understanding to why to break large tasks down, help proven techniques on how to manage a larger goal, how to review progress, failure, and learn your experience, a methodology to goal settings that you can be absolute any types of goal. These courses include a 1.5 only one year full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 2C2AFA38C0BC69C23FDBO. The next course is how to analyze your niche market. In this course, you will learn how to analyze your competitors and grow your business step-by-step instruction to find your competitor in less than 5 minutes, how to use Hash1 competitor analysis tools for free, quick and easy way to determine site traffic with similar web, why to have a perform content website, social media and marketing audits, the templates and swipe files, and much more. These courses one on-demand video, 4 articles, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is FE7, F28, FC3, A1, E3, F7, 9C, F8. The coupon code of this course is valid for 1 day. The next course is the Complete Fitness and Health Master Class 21 course in 1. In this course, you will learn discover exactly what reverse egging is and how it's works, learn the science and secret behind the reverse egging, discover the many powerful benefits of your reverse egging, learn how to simple lifestyle change can add many health years to your life, discover a powerful anti-aging supplement that can add to year of your life, discover secret anti-aging routine that turn your back clock every day, learn the hidden secret of the younger look skill, and much more. These courses in 23 are on-demand video for lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is 94DC5895FE120F964EB8. The coupon code is valid for 1 day. The next course is the Complete Touch Typing Masterclass Master Touch Typing. In this course, you will learn speed and accuracy of touching typing, the rhythm of touching typing, correction finger of key, F and J basic, keyboard middle row typing, keyboard upper row typing, keyboard bottom row typing, ways to have some two same skills, typing rule, speed and accuracy rule, maintain skill of touching typing, why to touching typing, text focus, rapid typing touch typing software, Stamina touch typing software, Bruce touch typing software, Kiran touch typing software, emojis, typing of the dead massive beacon teaches typing, mobile touching typing. These courses to are on demand video for downloadable basis for lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is gift day. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Sales Leadership Success. In this course, you will learn improve the performance of your people, yourself, and your business. These courses you want on-demand video full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is 73A26C724D4732FE57E2. The coupon is valid for 1 day. Watch the full video and apply the course as soon as possible. The part 4 of the Today Udemy course will come soon. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get a benefit of the course. Thank you.